Let's learn Hot Potato. It's choreographed by John Robinson. It is a 48 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Hot Potato. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right. We're now going to quickly step our right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, and step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to cross your left behind your right, quickly step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right, slightly stepping forward. You're now going to rock forward with your right foot and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a right coaster step. So you're going to step your right foot back, step your left foot together, then step your right foot forward. We're now going to do a half paddle over our right shoulder. You're going to start by making a quarter turn, slightly hitching your left knee up and then pointing your left toe to the left side to face 3 o'clock. We're going to repeat that, making that quarter turn over our right shoulder, slightly hitching your left knee up and point your left toe to the left side to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a kick step point. So kicking our left foot low and forward, quickly step your left next to your right and then point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a half paddle over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, doing a slight hitch with your right knee and then point your right toe to the right side to face 3 o'clock. We're gonna repeat that, turning over our left shoulder, hitch your right knee up and point your right toe to the right side to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our rock recovery. You're gonna do your coaster step. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, we're gonna rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a half turning triple over our right shoulder. You're gonna make a half turn as you step forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock, step your left next to your right, and then step forward with your right. We're now gonna rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right. You're gonna make a half turn over your left shoulder as you step forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your rock half triple. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to do point crosses. So you're gonna point your right toe to the right side. You're gonna step your right foot forward and slightly over your left. You're now gonna point your left toe to the left side, step your left foot forward and slightly over your right. We're now going to do 2 toe struts back, taking our right toe, touch it back, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot, touch your left toe back, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just came out of our half triple. You're gonna do your point cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're going to do a right toe strut back, taking that right toe, touching it back, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. We're now going to do a kick ball cross. So you're gonna kick your left foot forward into the diagonal, quickly step your left next to your right, and then cross your right over your left. You're gonna step your left foot into the diagonal. We're gonna bounce our heels, and as you bounce, you're going to lean into this left foot. So you're gonna bounce your heel as you step, bounce, 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 and you want your weight on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our left toe strut back, so you're gonna do your right toe strut. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6 in our final section of the dance. We're gonna quickly put our weight back onto our right foot. You're gonna kick your left foot forward into the diagonal. You're now gonna step your left next to your right. We're gonna do a crossing shuffle, right over left, cross right over left, left to the side, right over left. We're now gonna make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we rock forward with our left foot to face 9 o'clock, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a half triple over our left shoulder. You're gonna make a half turn, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our heel bounces with our attitude lean. Weight is on your left, quickly putting your weight back on your right. So it's and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll start over with your side, behind, side, cross. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. So it's side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, coaster step, quarter paddle, kick step, point, quarter paddle, rock, recover, half triple, rock, recover, half triple, point, cross, toe strut back, toe strut back, toe strut back, diagonal, kick, ball, cross, stomp with your bounce, recover, kick, step, crossing, shuffle, quarter, rock, recover, half triple step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows. The dance does end facing 12 o'clock. If you go all the way towards the end of the song, it will end after your point steps. So weight is on your left, starting with your step to the right. So it's side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, coaster, step, quarter paddle, kick step, point, quarter paddle, rock, recover, half triple, rock, recover, half triple, point, cross, toe strap back, toe strap back, toe strap back, kick, ball, cross, step with your bounce, recover, kick together, crossing, shuffle, quarter rock, recover, half triple, start over, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, coaster, step, quarter paddle, kick, step, point, quarter paddle, rock, recover, half triple, rock, recover, half triple, point, cross, toe strap back, toe strap back, toe strap back, diagonal, kick, ball, cross, step, and bounce with your lean, recover, kick together, crossing shuffle, quarter rock, recover, half triple, step to the side, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Like I said, there is no ending needed. You will be to the front and the music starts going away after you do your final rock, recover, half triple. I just like to end with my last couple points, but you can end kind of anywhere within that time frame. That is up to you. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn hot potato. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
She crossed the floor, I raced for the door. She caught my eye, she made me cry. She tamed the sky and made me fly. When she smiled